Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and choosing a legal path. Check your OS version and free space, and back up existing widget data. Next, make sure a valid payment method is set up in Google or Apple accounts. This speeds checkout. Once ready, look for official offers, promos, free trials, or discounted bundles, rather than third-party APKs. Doing this protects your device and personal data while ensuring updates and support from the developer. Once you find the official listing, verify the developer name to avoid imposters, then proceed to purchase or start a trial. Read the price and renewal terms, cancel auto-renew if you want a one-time test. After purchase, install directly from the store so updates are automatic. Sign in with the same account used to buy. This links the premium license to your account. If you plan device switches, enable Cloud Sync so purchases and settings follow you. To finish, open the app and activate Premium via Restore Purchases or an account page. Check the settings to confirm Premium features unlocked. If the purchase doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the same store account, clear the store app cache, and then reinstall. If problems persist, contact the developer with your receipt ID and screenshots. This gets faster resolution and a refund if applicable. Troubleshooting calmly and using official channels protects your payment and device security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.